When I'm ready to make my quote on my slide, I've already selected my quote. I need to set it up. I can get rid of boxes, so I just click until this box is highlighted and I can hit delete, and then that box is gone. This box I can delete or move it around, and I probably want my text centered and big, and I probably want it a different color so that it stands out and you can see it. First thing I want to do is go up to my toolbars, and this right here where it says align, that's how I can center. So I can center this way, and then I can center it also here. So now it's the exact center. Next thing is I want my quote to take up the majority of this slide. I'll just make it a little bit larger. So I've gone up here to where the font size is, and I'm making it larger. Now I want to choose a font that is readable that I like. So I don't want to keep it the Arial, the font that is basic that it comes with, but I do want it to be something that everyone can read. And I like the name of this. I'll just use a real fat face. So I will use that. Now, before I do my quote, last thing is I need to decide what color is going to look good with all of this that you'll be able to see. And so to get my color, I go over here, and I don't know. If I do white, are you going to be able to see that? I don't really like it, so I will try, well, that purple, you won't be able to see it when it's up there though. Well, I'm going to paste. I'm going to paste it in a minute. I'm going to see what that looks like, and I'll probably have to change the top. Okay, so I went to my text and I copied this. I just highlighted and Control C to copy, because that's the quote that I want to use. Now when I come back over here, I'm going to hold down Control Shift V, Control Shift V, and that's going to keep my formatting that I want to use. So Control Shift V. Oh wow. So you can see it's way too large. It's gone off the page, and that's fine. Control Shift V. So now I can highlight the whole thing, and I just click here. I can do Control A, and that will highlight it, and I can just start decreasing. I can probably have it a little bit larger. There we go. Now I can decide, so I click the box, just just start moving this down, adjusting it. Yikes. And so I have to play with it until, sorry, this is on my Mac. Just have to play with it until I get it how I want it. Yikes. There we go. That's what's wrong. And what I can do, because you can't read this up here too well, is I could potentially change that coloring. So I'll go back to my A here. And now maybe I want to change that to the orange. And I can just kind of play around and see what works. Once I like what I have, I need to put my page number, my MLA citation. So I'm going to get rid of this period, open parentheses, and the writer's name is Acevedo. I put her last name, Acevedo. And then I have to see what page I got that off of, and that's page 2. So I put the 2, close parentheses, and my period goes there. Okay. Now my slide is ready. I'm going over to File, and I need to download this as an image. I can do JPEG or PNG. And this is going to go down to my computer, and I'm going to title this quote, and it's going on my desktop. You might have it go in your downloads, I'm not sure.